How to speed up TikTok video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, tap on the share icon over any reel on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on playback speed. Now you can choose the playback speed from here. If you want to view the reels in 2x speed, then select 2x. You have now successfully changed the playback speed to 2 times. Go back to the home page to view the reels in 2x speed. Following these steps, you can easily speed up TikTok videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.